Welcome everyone to Advent of Code with Pandas. My name is Teddy Petru and this is day 2. So we're playing rock, paper, scissors. Here is the data over here. The first column is the opponent. The second column is you. So in the first column, A, B, and C map to rock, paper, and scissors. In the second column, X, Y, and Z map to rock, paper, and scissors. So you have to see if you've won, lost, or tie. So, rock beats scissors, paper beats rock, and scissors beats paper. You get points. So 0 points if you lose, 3 if you draw, 6 if you win. And then you just get points for rock, paper, or scissors, 1, 2, and 3. So each row, you'll get some number of points, be between 1 and 9 points. And then you just add them all up, and that is what you need to report. All right, so I'm going to read this data in here. I'm actually going to keep it as a series. I'm not going to try to separate it into multiple columns. So just read it directly in like this. And then there's 9 separate combinations over here. So there's 3 for your opponent, 3 for yourself. And I'm just going to map each one of them to a certain points. So A and X. A is rock and X is rock. That is a tie. And you get 1 point for a rock, 3 points for a tie, so that is 4. So just go through each one combination. Here, A, so the opponent has a rock. You throw paper, which wins. Your paper is worth 2 points plus 6 for the win is 8 points. So I just do that, and so I convert each one of these into some point system, and then I sum it up and get the result. So that is the correct answer. So this is a pretty nifty trick to do this. There's other ways of going about this, but I think since there's only 9 combinations, just replacing the actual value with its numerical value is the way to go. And then we can just sum it up and get the right answer. So the day 2B changes the meaning of the second column. It says that X is lose, Y is draw, and Z is a win. So this is saying if you need to lose this. So if you know you need to lose this, and if your opponent throws A, which is a rock, then you need to lose with scissors. So you play scissors here, which is worth 3 points. You get 0 points for a loss, and so forth. So I do the same thing here. So there's nothing really that fancy for this solution. We're just replacing those 9 combinations with their point values and then summing it up. It is a slightly different number. You will have different numbers because you have different data, and then just submit that. All right, so if you like that tip, then I think you'll really like master data analysis with Python. I go into extreme detail on how to use pandas and basically any way that you can imagine to do data analysis. There are 500 exercises, many hours of video lessons, and several certification exams on different parts of the library. All right, so that wraps it up for day 2 of Advent of Code 2022.